Hello there. Today I'm doing a demo of a new AI voice agent which has some innovative new features. The agent is in beta at the moment, so we've only got a US spec voice, but you'll see for yourself that there's a big step forward in terms of improvements on some particularly critical aspects of a voice agent, such as the utterance delay. So the new features are as follows. Number one, it uses speech-to-speech instead of the traditional way of doing it, which is take the user's speech, turn it into text, send that to the large language model, which then makes its response in text, and that then has to be converted back to voice. So in essence, it's speech to text and then text to speech. And this three-step process adds delay in the more common voice agents that we see today. So this one is completely different because it takes your voice and streams it directly into the large language model, which in this case is OpenAI. The language model then processes the voice and responds directly back in voice. So it cuts the amount of time it takes for you to ask your question and get a response back, which you'll see shortly in the demo. Because it's taking the user's speech and streaming it straight into the language model, the characteristics of what you say in terms of the voice patterns and the nuances are retained. So the language model can actually tell, things like emotions and urgency and these sort of things, because they're not converted and therefore lost because they're going to text. It's speech to speech, so it can still pick up, what sort of emotions you've got in your voice. So I'll do a quick demo now just to demonstrate some of these things we've just talked about, and you'll see for yourself. Okay, right, let's make a start. Just a couple of points before I get into it. First one is I'm going to be interrupting the voice agent a couple of occasions just to demonstrate how well it handles the interruptions. That's the first point. Second point is we've set this up with an extended prompt. So the prompt has got a load of facts, FAQs, questions, that sort of thing. It's a bit of a cut down knowledge base just for demo purposes. So as I mentioned in the first part, there's no UK voice yet. We're expecting that fairly soon. So at the moment, it's talking to me with an American accent. Okay, let's do this.
Hi, I'm a Hostcomm AI voice assistant. How can I help you?
I'm just going to switch mics here.
Sure, take your time. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, I think I'm ready. Tell me a bit about yourself.
Great. Thanks for letting me know. I'm an AI voice assistant here to help with tasks, answer questions, and make your day a little easier. I can chat about all sorts of topics, provide information, and help you navigate various tasks with ease.
Okay, what makes you different to other voice agents?
Great question. What sets me apart is my blend of advanced technology and a friendly, engaging personality. I can understand and respond to a wide range of languages and accents, adapt to your specific needs, and offer a natural conversational interaction.
What about on the technology side? What's different about you technology-wise?
Technologically, I'm powered by advanced AI, which allows me to understand and respond to a wide range of queries with natural language processing. I'm built to learn and adapt, improving over time with machine learning. Plus, my integration capabilities allow me to work seamlessly with various platforms and services.
Okay, what about on the speech side? How do you handle speech?
My speech handling is pretty top-notch. I use advanced natural language processing to understand and generate human-like responses. This allows me to comprehend context, nuances, and even humor in conversation. Plus, I can adapt my speaking style to different accents and speech patterns, making the interaction feel more natural and engaging for you.
Are you multimodal?
In this setting, I'm primarily focused on voice interaction, which means I'm really good at understanding and responding to spoken language. However, multimodal capabilities, like combining visual and textual information along with voice, aren't my strong suit here. My main goal is to make our conversation as smooth and enjoyable as possible through voice alone.
Can you tell me a bit about CXCortex?
CXCortex is CHCortex. is Hostcomm's customer experience platform. It integrates various communication channels like voice, email, chat, and social media into one unified platform. This helps businesses manage and streamline customer interactions more effectively.
Okay, can you give me a very short single sentence description of what is an AI voice agent?
An AI voice agent is a computer program designed to understand and respond to spoken language in a conversational manner.
Okay, pour quel genre de choses pouvez-vous m'aider?
Je peux vous aider avec pas mal de choses, que ce soit pour obtenir des informations, des conseils, fixer des rendez-vous, contrôler des appareils domotiques ou même simplement discuter. Je suis là pour vous aider.
Bon, d'accord, très bon. Let's switch back to English. Can you tell me exactly how I would go about deploying you into my customer service system?
Deploying an AI voice assistant like me into your customer service system typically involves a few key steps. 1. Platform integration. First, you'd integrate the AI voice assistant with your existing customer service platforms, such as your phone system, CRM, or help desk software. 2. Customization. Tailor the assistant to your specific needs by programming it with the right information, FAQs, and responses to common customer queries. 3. Testing. Before going live, extensively test the voice assistant in various scenarios.
Okay, that's great. Thank you. Thank you. Could you tell me a bit, please, about the real-time API? In particular, just cover what is speech-to-speech and what are the benefits of that?
The real-time API allows for live interaction with users, converting spoken language into text, processing it, and then generating a spoken response. Speech-to-speech involves directly converting spoken input into spoken output without the need for intermediary text representation. The benefits of speech-to-speech include 1. Natural communication. Users can interact with the system as they would with a human, making the experience more intuitive. 2. Accessibility. It's particularly helpful for individuals with visual impairments or those who prefer auditory learning. 3. Speed. Direct speech-to-speech can speed up interactions by removing the need for reading text, creating a smoother conversational flow. 4. Real-time responses. It allows for quick, dynamic conversations, essential for customer service scenarios where immediate responses.
Are you suitable for customer service?
Absolutely. I'm well suited for customer service. I can handle a variety of tasks like answering FAQs, providing information, troubleshooting, and even managing more complex interactions with a friendly and professional approach. My ability to provide quick, accurate, and personalized responses can greatly enhance the customer experience.
Okay, sounds good. What about, tell me a fascinating fact about yourself, please.
Here's a fascinating tidbit. I'm constantly learning and updating from the data I process, which means my responses and abilities improve over time. It's like having a constantly evolving skill set.
Okay, and final point. Have you got any good jokes, please?
Sure. Here's one for you. Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts.
I've heard that one before. Have you got another one?
Of course. How about this? Why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems.
Nice. Go on, one more. One more for luck.
All right, last one. Why can't your nose be 12 inches long? Because then it would be a foot.
Nice. That's a bit better. Thanks very much.
You're welcome. Glad I could make you laugh. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's pretty good. As you notice there, the utterance delay has reduced a lot. I mean, it's virtually answering you as soon as you finished your question. that's pretty good. This version's in beta at the moment, so we're working on it. As new improvements come through from this one is actually based on an OpenAI real-time API. So we're expecting quite a few changes over the next few weeks. UK voice spec would be good, and we're then going to be moving on to things like vector store integration, so we start bringing in bigger knowledge bases, function calling as well, so we can integrate via API to any other application. So quite a few things to do, but from the outset, I'm pretty impressed. It's good. Looks like it's got a lot of potential. So hope you enjoyed that.